This is Joyce Stewart with Charles Rottenberg Realty. I'm an associate broker and I'm here in North Dix Hills in this fabulous 7-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom home, perfect for the extended family. Beautiful kitchen. Look at the countertops. This is perfect for the gourmet chef. Cozy, warm, inviting family room with a wood-burning fireplace. A wonderful backyard, an entertainer's delight. In-ground pool, 2-tier decks. This house is really for the nature lover. For your own private tour of this home filled with natural lighting, give me a call at 516-983-9261.